Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
We got a Dodge Ram here. This guy does cameras, access points, all sorts of stuff for commercial residential buildings. Basically what we end up doing, we end up installing the alarm system here with the phone text notification and GPS, and we end up installing the pin switches in these glove boxes. I mean, there's toolboxes, I'm sorry. In case somebody opens up the box, it'll fire up. And then we also give them the second one too. In case somebody opens up the box, it will send this guy an alert. I'll go ahead and close it. Somebody pounds on the window. I didn't let it ring long enough. But somebody pounds on the window, will fire off the alarm. You'll get the notification that the alarm went off in the truck anywhere in the United States. It has GPS, but for security reasons, I'm not going to show the location of the truck. He's able from the app to arm and disarm the. He set a passcode on it, because you can set up a passcode in case you have kids that play around your phone. You don't want them to arm and disarm the alarm. Well, actually, that's the second truck we did over there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's going to have to switch to go to the garage and tap onto the Dodge. Now we're gonna do the Dodge. See? Then you can hit unlock. And to track it is here. We'll do it real fast. Okay. Then you can go back to the garage and switch from profile. You know, he has a Ford F-150 that we did also, and then the Dodge Ram. But yeah, he can switch over to profile. And then what you do is, if you use mainly the Ford, we highlighted the star, make it the favorite. So when the app opens up, it opens up in the default car, which is going to be the Ford, and that's going to be the Ford. And that's another project that we did over there. So we'll just walk over here and we'll show you on the Ford what we did. You know, he does a lot of stuff that he has a lot of expensive tools in the back seat. He doesn't want anybody to rip them off. To remote start it, go ahead and hit the remote start. And that will crank the truck right up. Okay, and then we'll give you the run time in the bottom. We'll start counting 50 seconds backwards. This is the voltage of the battery, the signal, the actual unit, the actual picture of the car. You can select it. Again, it has the, see, it's going to tell you there it's starting to run by remote start. Actually, what happened is when the phone shut off, there it goes. It starts giving you the countdown. Then to shut it off, you can kill it here. Turns off the truck real nice. And then it also gives you the push notification when the alarm fires off. We don't want to get into that, but yeah, if somebody bangs on the window, opening the doors, he'll get the alert on his phone. Yeah, and it comes with 2 remote controls, but basically everything interacts, by the way. Where's your factory fob? Everything interacts with the factory remote. See? And you can also, if you don't want to carry my remote control around, if you hit lock 3 times, it will start the truck up. Okay? You can, so those who want everything from the factory, the module that press it 3 times to turn it off again. Those who, what we do, we install a module. We got to download the firmware that belongs to this vehicle and hook it up to the alarm system, and then it interacts everything with the factory fob. So if you don't want to carry my remote control around, you're welcome. You can just carry the factory one. The factory one will arm my alarm, will turn off my alarm, and everything will work from the phone too. This is installation was done here in Miami, Florida by Autoline Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.